Former President Donald Trump knows how to travel in style, and there's no better example of this than his private jet, the Boeing 757-200, affectionately known as Trump Force One. Gold-plated seatbelts, marble accents, and luxurious furnishings, Trump Force One is a flying palace fit for a king. But why did he stop using his private jet? And what will it be used for in the future? This, along with the mysterious maintenance the plane just went through, is what we'll discuss in today's video. Former President Donald Trump's VIP private jet, the Boeing 757, has received a fresh makeover courtesy of Landlock Aviation Services in Lake Charles, Louisiana. The aircraft, dubbed Trump Force One, had been out of commission since Trump took office in 2016, having been used during his 2016 presidential campaign. The extensive refit of the plane had been kept under wraps until recently. The repaint of the Boeing 757 was no small feat, taking a crew of about 40 people a little over a month to complete the project. The job involved scuff sanding, priming, and painting all the unique colors on the aircraft. Despite the challenging timeline and customer requirements, the team at Landlock Aviation Services managed to deliver a flawless paint job. The bar was set high for the project and expectations were met. Before the repainting, the jet's exterior was painted in black and white livery with the Trump T logo on the tail. The words Trump were painted in large letters near the front of the aircraft. The finished product features polished, shiny aluminum edges, a big American flag on the vertical of the plane, and a specialized gold metallic Trump logo. The most notable change is the replacement of the T on the tail with a U.S. flag. The bottom half of the fuselage is white, while its top half is black, with a band of red circling the plane midway up the fuselage. A little gold-colored trim, including lettering that identifies the plane's owner, completes the aircraft's new look. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected supply chains around the world, and the aircraft industry is no exception. The repainting of the Boeing 757 was no easy feat, and the supply chain challenges made it even more difficult. According to Tyson Grenzebach with Landlock Aviation Services, they had to accomplish the project within a short period of time, while facing supply chain challenges caused by the pandemic. However, the team was able to overcome these obstacles through collaboration with their vendors and the use of scuff sanding techniques to prime the aircraft for repainting. Despite these challenges, the team was able to complete the project with exceptional results. Grenzebach stated that the repaint is every bit flawless, with the Boeing 757 being one of the best aircraft he's painted in his 28-year career. This, of course, comes with the fact that the Boeing 757 has one very special detail that we'll discuss a little later in the video. And the exterior of the plane is not the only thing that was remodeled. Of course, the interior is a thing of beauty as well. It's no secret that Trump's plane had fallen into disrepair before this remodeling, and this included the interior. Keep in mind that this plane is over 30 years old. It was in desperate need of some updating. The new design was reportedly led by the former president's daughter, Ivanka Trump, and her husband, Jared Kushner. While Trump was heavy-handed on the look of the exterior, he let his family have a bit of fun on the inside. Gone are the gold-plated fixtures and plush cream seats that were a staple of the original interior. The updated design features a more modern and understated look, with neutral tones and streamlined furnishings. It does still feature the prominent gold, however. Eric Roth, the president of Long Island-based International Jet Interior, said that anything metal on that plane's interior, lights, seat buckles, handles, latches, knobs, we did in 24-karat gold plating. So even though the rest of the interior was redone to feel more neutral, it still got that top-of-the-line Trump feel to it. The main cabin has been reconfigured to include 24 first-class seats, which can be converted into 12 sleeping quarters. The seats are upholstered in a light gray fabric with matching carpeting and drapes. Each seat also features a built-in screen for in-flight entertainment. These built-in screens were upgraded massively from the old dusty ones that hardly worked anymore. Now the plane has gorgeous OLED screens perfect for any viewing angle. The dining area has been updated with a sleek glass table and comfortable leather chairs. The cabin also includes a conference room with a large table and comfortable seating, making it an ideal space for business meetings or negotiations. The master suite, located at the rear of the plane, features a king-size bed, a large flat-screen television, and a private bathroom with a shower. The bathroom has been updated with modern fixtures and finishes, including a marble vanity and a glass-enclosed shower. The cockpit's also been updated with state-of-the-art technology, including a touchscreen display and advanced navigation systems. This is as much for safety as for looks, because the old tech in these 30-year-old planes is certainly beginning to fall by the wayside. There's also something you don't fully understand yet about why Trump is remodeling his plane now, after so many years. We'll talk about that in a bit. First, let's take a look at the specs of the plane, in fact, and see just what this baby can do. The Trump Force One is a customized Boeing 757, which was originally built in 1991. It has a wingspan of 124 feet, a length of 155 feet, and a height of 44 feet. The aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of 255,000 pounds and can reach a top speed of 560 miles per hour. One of the unique features of the Trump Force One is its ability to fly long distances without refueling. The aircraft has a range of approximately 5,500 nautical miles, which means it can fly non-stop from New York to Hong Kong. One interesting detail about the Trump Force One's engines is that they are Rolls-Royce RB211 535E engines, which are the same type used on many commercial airliners. However, the engines on this private jet have been modified to provide more thrust, allowing it to fly at faster speeds and travel longer distances without refueling. The aircraft's fuel capacity has also been increased, allowing it to carry up to 43,500 gallons of fuel. The aircraft also has a lounge area with comfortable seating and a fully stocked bar. The bar is adorned with Trump-branded products, including vodka, wine, and water. The dining room can seat up to 8 people, and the conference room has a large conference table with comfortable chairs. In addition to the luxurious amenities, the Trump Force One also has advanced technology. The aircraft is equipped with a state-of-the-art entertainment system, including multiple flat-screen TVs and satellite TV capabilities. It also has a high-speed internet connection, allowing passengers to stay connected while in the air. This was particularly useful for Trump during his campaign, as it allowed him to stay plugged into his social media accounts while on the move. Overall, the Trump Force One is a marvel of engineering and design. Its impressive specs and luxurious interior make it one of the most sought-after private jets in the world. And yet, it's remained unused for the past several years, up until recently. Why is that? What's next for the Trump Force One? Since the remodeling of Trump Force One in October 2022, there have been rumors about its future use. While former President Trump has not confirmed any specific plans for the aircraft, there's been speculation that he may use it for his personal travel or as part of his political campaigns. According to an article in The Hill, the former president has expressed interest in using the aircraft for his upcoming rallies and events. The article notes that Trump has been planning to hold rallies in key states in the lead-up to the 2024 presidential election, and that the use of Trump Force One could add an extra layer of excitement to these events. Another possibility is that the aircraft may be used for private travel by the former president and his family. As reported by Business Insider, the remodeling of the aircraft included new features, such as a larger master bedroom and a private office, which could make it an attractive option for the former president's personal use. However, it's important to note that there's been no official announcement regarding the future use of Trump Force One. The aircraft is currently being stored at a hangar in New York's Stewart International Airport, where it's being maintained by a team of professionals to ensure that it remains in top condition. It's unclear exactly why Trump finally decided to revamp his private jet, but it's clear that there's something in the works. We'll have to keep a very careful eye on the plane over the next couple of months to see what plans come to fruition. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.